Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. This is Art by Julie E. I'm Julie E. and we're going to be playing with alcohol inks on a 9x12 DaVinci Ultra Smooth cradle board today. This is a really super fun, super easy project that I think anybody can do, even first time users of alcohol inks. So yeah, if you've been kind of scared to invest in a DaVinci board, don't. You know, there are other ways you can use them if your first plan didn't work out. Because what we're going to be doing is I've got a cowboy silhouette that I'm going to be laying on top of my alcohol ink pattern. And that's all you're going to be able to see is just kind of that alcohol ink pattern within the shape of a cowboy and a horse. So yeah, if you can get some really cool patterns, color variations and stuff towards kind of the center and outward of your cradle board, then trace out a really cool silhouette, like maybe of a fish or a turtle or something, and place that down and spray paint around it, and you'll have a really cool piece of artwork. So yeah, not all is lost if you mess up on one of your cradle boards. What I am doing is I'm going in with some kind of neutral colors right now. This one is going to be kind of a desert landscape look to it. You know, I've got the greens towards the bottom, the browns, and light lavenders towards the top and stuff. I want it to look like a desert landscape. And because I'm in Arizona and this is what we like down here, is the kind of southwestern, you know, rodeo type art and everything. So yeah, that's what I'm going for with mine, but you can use whatever type of silhouette stencil that you want and try this technique for yourself. Like I said, any colors you want to use, any really cool kind of patterns. And yeah, I really like how the brass showed up in this. I use a lot of the 50-50 brass and alcohol mixture in a lot of my alcohol inks. I love that really nice gold veining through my inks. I love those gold lines and stuff that run through it. And so here you'll see how I get those. And I'm using a Revlon hairstyling wand. It comes with attachments, but you just leave the attachments off. I'm not sure what speed this is at. I don't use a normal kind of speed on mine. Mine is hooked up to a router power regulator, so I can actually regulate how much airflow that I want coming out of my hair wand through that. So yeah, that's what I use there. And right now you're just watching everything happen in real time. Later on, when I go to start the top part and add the colors to the top of the cradle board, then you'll see it in kind of a sped up speed. But right now we're just kind of going with the flow, seeing how, you know, how long it actually takes, and the motions that I'm going through in real time, because I think that would be helpful for you if you want to try and achieve these types of lines yourself. So okay, I'm going to put some music on and I will show you with the little pop-up card on the screen when I speed things up, and I'll see you towards the end when we do all the fun stuff to it after it's completed.
Late at night in the dark, at least when I'm not with you. It's like without you I just fall apart, and I don't know what I'm heading into. used to be so, but I feel alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive with you. Take it easy on my heart, otherwise I fall apart. Alive, feel alive with you.
I'm back, and what you're watching me do there right now is taking one of my watercolor brushes that I have filled with 99% isopropyl alcohol, and I dipped it in a little bit of Havana brown and pinata brass mixture in a little bottle cap that I use for a palette dish. And I'm just going in and creating extra lines and where I want extra lines to give it more of that kind of mountainy type landscape feel, if that makes any sense. I hope that makes sense. And then I'm hitting it again just to dry out the inks and everything, and seeing if that is the composition that I like for underneath my silhouette that I'm going to be placing on top. So, and looks like I like it. Hey, we're out in my shed. I have just sprayed 2 coats of Kamar varnish on this piece, and we're going to now go ahead and place a silhouette on top, and then put on the Rust-Oleum American Accents Ultra Cover Paint and Primer Satin in Nutmeg. And I put the Kamar on first because I don't want the inks to bleed through, just in case. So yeah, we're gonna pop this on here and center it. Let me back up. There we go. And center it, and then we will go ahead and spray our paint over the top of it. And when I come back, we should be ready to go and pull the silhouette off. So, okay, I have sprayed the top of it, and I think we're looking good. I did put a little bit of tape over the little hole that was in the bottom of that silhouette. So, okay, be back in a little bit. Okay, we are back. Let's go ahead and lift this. I love it. Oh my God, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. How cool is that? Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, we will resin this and then come back and show you all the finished results. This one I really, really love. It's still kind of tacky, so I don't want to touch it, but wow. So yeah, I will let this sit overnight, let it fully cure and go through its off-gassing, and tomorrow afternoon I will put some resin on this and stain the sides. So yay! Kind of desert feel in the mountains. It's so Arizona. I'm super pleased. Yeah, super pleased. I can't wait to put resin on this. Okay, we'll be back shortly. Okay, before we get to the resin results, I wanted to show you just some close-ups of what it looks like before the resin goes on. And you can see the lines and that really pretty gold veining and everything. And I also want to remind you that Dave's DRH Acrylic Creations has joined our little train. He went first at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. His link is in my description. And then right after him was Just Janice, and her link is also in the description. So I would appreciate it greatly if you would go back, check out their videos, and like, share, and subscribe their videos along with mine. I would appreciate it very much. There it is in the sunlight. Can you say, wow? Blingity bling bling bling, right? Blingity bling bling bling. That's all I can say about that. Wow. I just love that piñata brass and the lines and sparkle it creates. And man, under resin, does it ever pop. Okay, this. I think we're in my dining room right now. I think we're at the kitchen table. And this is just natural light, but you can see how much that brass, that piñata brass, just pops underneath resin. And I apologize for the dust specks. It is very dusty here in Arizona. I think here now, yep, I've got the flash on my camera so you can really see it pop in the light, because it's a little bit dark in my house. Sorry about that. Look at that. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Right? Is that just not yummy? Look at that gold. Love it. And I love the Southwest theme of it all. Let me know if you like the Southwest themes too. And yeah, comment, share, like, subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this, and I hope you give it a try. It actually is super easy. And until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye!